Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from One Stop Solution. In this video, I will show you how to create a poll on WhatsApp. Creating a poll allows you to gather options and make decisions easily within your chat. So, let's get started on how to create a poll in WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp on your device. In the chat section, open the chat where you want to create a poll. This can be a group chat or one-on-one conversation. In the bottom left corner of your screen, tap on the plus icon. This will bring up a menu with different options. From the menu, look for and tap on the poll option. This will open the poll creation interface. Now, type in the question you want to ask in the poll. Make sure it's clear and easy to understand. Next, add options for your poll. You can include multiple choices for respondents to select from. Finally, tap on the send option in the top right corner of your screen. Your poll will be shared in the chat and participants can start voting right away. And this is how you can create a poll in WhatsApp. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.